Welcome back, friends. Welcome back, friends. After going through the different statements of second law of thermodynamics, there is another topic or unit, that is the concept of entropy. This is the third unit part. So let us see the entropy part here. So during the formulation of the second law of thermodynamics, Clausius introduced a new thermodynamic function called as entropy, denoted by letter S. So there is a definition mentioned here: measure of disorder or randomness of the molecules present in the system is known as entropy. So to explain the entropy concept, to understand the concept of entropy, let us consider the following examples. Consider the melting point of ice. In solid state, the water molecules are arranged in a definite order. When ice melts, this highly ordered crystalline arrangement of water molecules collapses and molecules become free to move in liquid. Thus, ordered state becomes a disordered state, as shown in the figure here. So first figure is shown as ordered state, second disordered state, and third one is highly disordered state. Here the melting of ice and vaporization of liquid water is shown in diagram. Now another example: when liquid water vaporizes, the gaseous water molecules move freely and randomly in the entire available space. A less disordered state becomes highly disordered. Thus, in the melting point of ice and vaporization of liquid water, disorder or randomness of molecules increases. Such a molecular disorder or a randomness is measured by a thermodynamic property called entropy and denoted by symbol or sign or word, that is capital S. The greater the disorder of a system, higher is the entropy. Conversely, more ordered system, smaller is the entropy. For any substance, the particles are more highly ordered in solid state than in liquid state, and the particles are highly ordered in liquid state than in gaseous state when we compare the solid, liquid and gaseous states. Therefore, for a given substance, entropy increases in the following order. The rate of increase of entropy is shown by the solid is less than, liquid is less than gas. The rate of increase of entropy is shown by this notation. Entropy changes is denoted by delta S. For a physical process, delta S is equal to S final minus S initial. For a chemical process, delta S is equal to S product minus S reactant. The following examples illustrates the sign of delta S in the process. So iodine solid, when it is get converted into iodine liquid, here delta S is positive. Hydrogen gas, when it converts into the hydrogen atom, delta S is positive. Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, when they combine to form liquid, that is H2O, here delta S is negative. Calcium carbonate solid, when it is converted into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide gas, here delta S is positive. Here another definition of entropy, which is quantitative definition of entropy. The entropy change of a system in a process is equal to the amount of heat transferred to it in a reversible manner divided by temperature at which the transfer takes place. Thus, here delta S is equal to Q reversible divided by T, where Q reversible is nothing but it is the heat transferred to the system at temperature T. Now when we consider the definition or the quantitative definition of entropy, there is a justification for this entropy definition. Delta S is equal to Q reversible divided by T. So when we consider this term, when heat is added to a system, the molecular motions are increased due to an increase in the kinetic energies of the molecules, which results in increasing molecular disorders. It therefore follows that an addition of heat to a system increase its entropy, and that delta S is directly proportional to Q reversible. Here the effectiveness of the addition of heat to increase the molecular randomness also depends on temperature, because the temperature takes into account the disorder that is already present in the system. If the system has low temperature, it has only a small amount of disorder, and the addition of a given amount of heat to the system results in a significant increase in the amount of disorder. On the other hand, if a system has high temperature, it already has large amount of randomness. Hence, in such case, the addition of the same amount of heat produces only a marginal increase in the disorder. This is analogous to fact that sneezing at a noisy railway station is less significant than sneezing in a quiet library. To conclude, we can say that if a given temperature of heat is added to a system at higher temperature, the additional disorder created is less than if the same amount of heat is added to a system at lower temperature. This implies that delta S is inversely proportional to the temperature at which the addition of heat takes place. Here, when we consider the entropy term, there is unit notation for the entropy, which is measured by entropy change is expressed by a heat term divided by the absolute temperature. If energy is expressed in joules and temperature in Kelvin, then unit of entropy will be joule per Kelvin. This is known as entropy unit or EU. Entropy is an extensive thermodynamic property, as its value depends on the amount of substance present in the system. Therefore, it is necessary to include amount term, that is mole, in its unit. Hence, entropy is measured in joule per Kelvin per mole unit. Here the characteristics of entropy are: entropy is nothing but it is an extensive property. It is a state function. For cyclic process, delta S is equal to 0. For infinite simul change, delta S is equal to dq divided by T. For finite change at constant temperature, delta S is equal to Q reversible by T. Here the calculation of entropy change of an ideal gas with change in temperature, pressure and volume, or here we can say the calculation of entropy change of an ideal gas with change in PV and T. Entropy is nothing but it is a state function. Entropy of a system varies with the state of the system. The value of entropy for pure gaseous substance will depend upon any two of the variables, pressure, volume and temperature. Since capital T is taken generally as one of the variables, the second variable that considered may be P or V. Thus, two variables to be considered are either T and V or T and P. So, first condition, when T and V are the two variables or entropy changes of an ideal gas as a function of T and V, the increase in entropy of a gas for an infinitesimal small change is given by the equation ds is equal to dq reversible divided by T. According to first law, d is dq plus dw. If the work involved is due to expansion of the gas, then for an infinitesimal increase in volume dV against the constant pressure P. dW is equal to minus PdV. Also we know heat capacity Cv is equal to dE divided by dt, which implies d is equal to Cv dt. Hence equation dE is equal to dq plus dW becomes Cv dt is equal to dq minus pdV, or dq is equal to Cv dt plus pdV. Putting dq is equal to dq reversible is equal to Cv dt plus pdV. For 1 mole of an ideal gas, PV is equal to RT. Therefore P is equal to RT upon V. Therefore dq reversible is equal to Cv dt plus RT dV by V. So this dividing equation by temperature, we get dq reversible by T is equal to Cv dt upon T plus RT upon T into dV by V. Therefore ds is equal to Cv dt by T plus R dV by V. For a finite change of state of a system, the entropy change delta S is obtained by integrating the above equation between the limits of the initial state 1 and final state 2, that is limit tends 1 to 2. ds is equal to Cv into limit t1 to t2 dt by T plus R limit v1 to v2 dV by V. So here after integration it gives relation S2 minus S1 is equal to Cv log T2 divided by T1 plus R log V2 divided by V1. So it becomes delta S is equal to Cv log T2 divided by T1 plus R log V2 divided by V1. So for n moles of an ideal gas, delta S is equal to n Cv log T2 divided by T1 plus n R log V2 divided by V1. So label this as equation 1. This equation gives change in entropy with temperature and volume. So there is another condition, variation of entropy with temperature and or entropy as a function of temperature and pressure, that will be considered in the next video.